Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to control who can see your future posts on Facebook Lite. This is a simple yet important feature that helps you manage your privacy and decide who can view your updates. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open more options. After that, select Settings. Next, find and tap on the Posts section. Then click on Who can see your future posts to open the available options. Now you can choose between Friends, Friends Accept, Specific Friends, or Only Me, depending on your preference. Finally, after selecting your desired audience, tap on the Save button to apply the changes. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more useful tips.